गार्गी,
काय बाबा?
तू आता 8वीत बरोबर?
हो.
आणि तुझं स्कूलिंग तर आता संपायला आलं
हो.
बरोबर? अजून किती वर्ष शाळा आहे तुझी?
2.5 वर्ष.
बरोबर, राईट. आणि त्याच्यानंतर कॉलेज
हो.
है ना? पण आता मला सांग, की कॉलेजमध्ये जायचं म्हणजे आपलं करिअरचा पाथ निवडलेला असला पाहिजे की नाही?
हो.
पण मग तुला तर लहानपणापासून अनेक लोकांनी अनेक वेळेला विचारलं असेल की तू मोठी होऊन काय होणार?
हो.
मग तू आता ठरवलंस की नाही? कारण तू 8वीत आलीस.
हो, मी ठरवलं ना, मला
काय?
ग्राफिक डिझायनर व्हायचं.
ग्राफिक डिझायनर?
हो.
बर, का बरं ग?
कारण की मला पहिल्यापासूनच ड्रॉइंग आवडतं ना, आणि मी सोशल मीडियावरती बघितल्यानंतर मला डिजिटल पेंटिंग हे पण आवडायला लागलं, आणि त्याच्यामुळे मला ग्राफिक डिझायनर व्हायचं आहे.
बर, पण ग्राफिक डिझायनरच का? आता बघ, आजकाल तर सगळी मुलं कॉम्प्युटर इंजिनियर होणे, डॉक्टर होणे या गोष्टीच्या मागे लागले. मग तू असं वेगळंच ग्राफिक डिझायनर का बरं निवडलं आहे?
मला कम्प्युटर इंजिनिअरिंग किंवा ह्या गोष्टींमध्ये जास्त इंटरेस्ट नाही आहे. मला इंटरेस्ट ग्राफिक डिझायनिंग किंवा ड्रॉइंग किंवा अशा आर्ट्समध्ये.
हो, पण ते करून काय होणार? त्याच्यामध्ये काय करिअरचा ऑप्शन आहे, करिअरचा चान्स आहे?
त्याच्यामध्ये मी वेगवेगळ्या कंपनीज किंवा ऑर्गनायझेशन्ससाठी लोगोज बनवू शकते. वेगवेगळ्या लोकांसाठी ड्रॉइंग्स डिजिटली त्यांना बनवून देऊ शकते, त्यांना जे हवं आहे त्याच्यासाठी. किंवा एखाद्या ॲडव्हर्टायझिंग एजन्सीमध्ये मी ॲज अ ग्राफिक डिझायनर काम करू शकते.
ओके, किंवा तू स्वतःची ग्राफिक डिझायनिंग कंपनी किंवा ॲडव्हर्टाइजमेंट कंपनी पण काढू शकतेस ना?
हो.
हो, तुला माहिती आहे याच्यामधलं खूप सक्सेसफुल लोक कोण आहेत ते ग्राफिक डिझायनिंग ॲडव्हर्टाइजमेंट क्षेत्रातले?
नाही.
नाही माहिती ना? मग आता काय कर माहिती, जेव्हा तुला आता यावर्षीची तर सुट्टी संपली आपली दिवाळीची, पण नेक्स्ट क्रिसमसच्या सुट्टीमध्ये तुला वेळ मिळेल तेव्हा फाइंड आउट कर ॲडव्हर्टाइजमेंट सेक्टरमधले कोण हुशार लोक आहेत, कोणी किती छान, कोण सक्सेसफुल आहेत, कोणी किती काय काय काम केलं आहे ना? आणि त्याची सगळ्याची माहिती काढ, म्हणजे तुला करिअरला फायदेशीर होईल. बरोबर?
Hello, myself Kartiki Balaji Borade. I want to become a doctor. My inspiration is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. I want to become a doctor because I want to help poor people. Those have not money. I will help them. They will get healthy. The main point is I want to become a doctor. My ideal is my sister. Thank you. Hello everyone. My name is Shravani Sagar Kadam.
Okay, Shravani. So, as you know, this is Children's Day contest and I am going to ask you a question. आणि तुला जे वाटेल ते आन्सर तू कर, ठीक आहे? यू कॅन इधर स्पीक इन इंग्लिश और मराठी और हिंदी, वॉट एवर इज कम्फर्टेबल फॉर यू, ठीक आहे? सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हॉट डू यू वॉन्ट टू बिकम?
I want to become a master chef.
Okay, so from where did you get the inspiration? Inspiration म्हणजे तुला असं का वाटतं की तू मास्टर शेफ बनावं?
Because cooking is like a art and I love to do art.
ओके, सो श्रावणीने काय काय बनवलंय, काय काय बनवते श्रावणी?
Not too much, but I know how to cook egg.
ओके, एग म्हणजे यू नो हाऊ टू मेक अन ऑमलेट?
Yes.
ओके, अँड समथिंग युअर टीचर टॉट यू?
Yeah. Monaco biscuit recipe and lemon juice.
Okay, so why do you want to become only master chef आणि why don't you want to become something else? का नाही दुसरं काही डॉक्टर, इंजिनियर असं काय, टीचर वगैरे का नाही बनायचं?
Because cooking makes me feel happy to serve others.
Okay, and who is your ideal? Ideal is ज्याला तू बघून म्हणतात ना इन्स्पायर होते किंवा त्यांच्याकडून तू गोष्टी शिकते, दॅट इज युअर आयडियल.
My idol is my mother. She taught me to how to cook, and she also helped me to how to cook.
Okay. So thank you very much, Shravani. Yes. It was very nice talking to you. Did you enjoy?
Yes.
Okay.
One,
Yes.
what you want to become?
I want to become an archaeologist.
Why? What is your inspiration?
I have seen and heard people dig up dinosaur fossils, and I love dinosaurs. So I decided I will become an archaeologist when I grow up.
Why you want to become archaeologist, not a doctor, engineer?
Doctor, engineer, it is not important for me. It's not interesting. Many few people go into the line of becoming an archaeologist.
Okay.
It's very good. I like dinosaurs and all that, so I decided I will become an archaeologist.
Okay. And who is your ideal?
My mother is my idol.
Why?
I love her. She tells me to study and work hard. She works hard, so I decided that I will become a hard, good working archaeologist when I grow up.
Okay, Yuvan. Bye.
What do you want to become?
I want to be chef
Where do you get the inspiration?
by C. Mother.
You want to become chef?
I love you different food.
Your idol?
Sandeep Kapoor.
Very good.
Hi, my name is Swatha Joshi.
Hi Swadha. So on account of Children's Day, Uni Apply have organized this contest and we are going to shoot this video, okay?
Yes.
So you are, I am shooting your video and wherein I will ask certain questions and you have to answer it, okay? Like whatever you feel, okay? So should we start with it?
Yes.
Okay. So my first question is, what do you want to become?
I want to become an astronaut.
An astronaut. Okay, wow. And from where did you get the inspiration?
I get this inspiration from this book.
Okay.
This book is from Discovery Channel. Also, I went to Nehru Planetarium.
Oh, wow. So in Nehru Planetarium, you might have seen universe, galaxies,
Yes.
planets.
Yes.
Okay. So how was the experience?
The experience was amazing.
Wow, superb. Why do you want to become only astronaut? Why not teacher or engineer, doctor? You could be anybody, right? So why do you want to become only?
I want to see galaxies, planets, and travel from spaceship.
Wow. Will you take me along with you?
Yes.
Okay. So who is your idol?
My idol is my mother.
Thank you, Sada. Any reason?
No.
No reason. Okay. Thank you, Swada. Say bye to everybody.
Bye everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Samiksha Tirupati Abdul. My school name is Om Public School. I am studying in senior KG class. आज 14 नोव्हेंबर बालदिवस म्हणून साजरा केला जातो. आज मी तुम्हाला सांगणार आहे मी मोठी झाल्यावर काय बनणार आहे. मी मोठी झाल्यावर डॉक्टर बनणार आहे. कारण 2020 मध्ये कोरोना नावाचा मॉन्स्टर आला होता. कारण डॉक्टर्स आणि नर्स आपला जीव पणाला लावून खूप साऱ्या लोकांचा जीव वाचवला आणि डॉक्टरमुळे कोरोना नावाच्या मॉन्स्टरला पण हरवू शकलो. जर मी डॉक्टर झाली तर मला लोकांची खूप सारी सेवा करता येईल. डॉक्टर आनंदीबाई गोपाळ जोशी हे माझे आदर्श आहे. डॉक्टर आनंदीबाई गोपाळ जोशी हे भारताचे पहिला महिला डॉक्टर होते. म्हणून मी मोठी झाले डॉक्टर होणार आहे. थँक्यू. Hello everyone, my name is Mahimota. I am from grade 1. Good morning, respected principal, ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. Happy Children's Day.
What do you want to become?
I want to become a teacher.
From where did you get the inspiration?
I had got inspiration from my school teachers.
Why do you want to become only engineer, teacher, lawyer? Why not something else, a doctor, painter, actor?
I want to teach. I want to become a teacher due to I respected teachers. Teaching is a job with a lot of variety. Teacher create painters, engineer, lawyers, and actors.
Who is your ideal?
Principal ma'am and all my school teachers. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Larissa Rodriguez from Holy Cross High School, studying in 8th F and belonging to Team Aurora.
Hi Miss Larissa, I would like to ask you a few questions about your future career.
Yes, of course.
So let's start with the first question.
Okay.
What do you want to become?
I want to become an IT engineer.
From where did you get the inspiration?
I got the inspiration for becoming an IT engineer from the course named STEM, which was held in a school by the engineering students and teacher of Don Bosco.
Why do you want to become IT engineer?
Actually, I wanted to be a dentist from my childhood, but when I participated in the STEM course, I got an inspiration for becoming an IT engineer.
So Miss Larissa, can I know who is your idol?
My idol for becoming an IT engineer is my dad, who always encouraged me to participate in every course or competition. He also says no matter if you lose or win, but always remember participation is must.
So Miss Larissa, would you like to give the message to all students?
Yes, of course. So my message to everyone is that education is the passport to a bright future. Tomorrow belongs to those who prepare it from today. Thank you.
मोठं बनून काय बनायचं आहे?
टीचर.
तुला कुठून प्रेरणा भेटली टीचर बनायची?
माझी आजी.
तुला फक्त टीचरच का बनायचं आहे?
कारण की आपण शिकलो तर आपला देश पुढे जाईल.
तुझा आयडल कोण आहे?
माझी आजी.
Hello Bhavya,
Hello.
how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm also doing good. So, let's talk about something. Who do you want to become when you grow up?
I want to become a doctor.
What inspires you to become a doctor? What inspires you to become a doctor? Where did you get the inspiration from?
I get the inspiration from my family members.
Wow. And why doctor and not engineer or lawyer?
Liar.
Lawyer. Why doctor? क्यों सिर्फ डॉक्टर क्यों?
Because and doctor helps everyone and make them healthy and happy.
You also want to help people?
Yeah.
Okay. And you also want to give them injection?
Yeah.
Okay. Who is your idol?
My idol is my mom. My mom is my idol.
Okay. And what is she? What is she doing?
She's a physiotherapist.
Okay. All right, Bhavya. That was very nice to know that you want to become doctor. Best of luck.
Thank you. Thank you. Happy Children's Day, all of you. Bye bye. Hello everyone. My name is Vinayaka Saw. I study in grade 2. My school name is Om Public School. I love my school. I want to become a doctor, but before become a doctor, I want be a good doctor and a good student and a good human being. And my father, mother, and my teachers are my inspiration. My father and my mother is my idol. Happy Children's Day. Thank you. Hello, my name is Sarah Rohit. I am from grade 1. My school name is Om Public School.
Okay, now I am going to ask some questions to you, okay? What do you want to become?
I want to become a successful businessman like my mother.
Okay. From where did you get inspiration?
I am inspired by Mr. Ratan Tata, who is a great businessman and a kind human being.
Okay, very good. Why do you want to become only businessman? Why not something else?
I want to become only a businessman because I am encouraged by work done by many industrials who really love to contribute for growth and development of our country.
Okay, very good. And who is your ideal?
My ideal is my father, an upcoming great businessman.
Thank you. Good to know you.
Thank you. My name is Aditi Shelan. I am in 5th standard. I am studying in Om Public School, Dombivli East.
What do you want to become?
I want to become a doctor.
From where did you get the inspiration?
I get the inspiration from reading books of Mother Teresa, Swami Vivekanand, Shivaji Maharaj, Mahatma Gandhi, etc.
Why do you want to become only doctor, painter, actor? Why not something else? Engineers, teacher, lawyer, etc.
I want to become a doctor because becoming a doctor can take away the pain and suffering of others by giving them medical treatment and healthcare. As a doctor, it is a continuous source of happiness for people and families. When we give happiness to others, we are the happiest person of the moment.
Who is your ideal?
My ideal is Jhansi Ki Rani. Thank you.
Hi Vihan,
Hi.
what do you want to become when you grow up?
I want to become an automobile engineer when I grow up. I want to design the fastest electric car on this planet.
From where did you get the inspiration?
Due to the ever increasing levels of pollution caused by transport, and there was a need to switch to an eco-friendly mode of transport. The electric cars have zero emission. They will help us to sustain the environment in the future.
Why do you want to become an automobile engineer?
I want to become an automobile engineer because I love cars. I have the biggest collection of furious racing cars.
Who is your ideal?
My ideal is Elon Musk, who is the owner of the Tesla company. He created one of the biggest company and most successful company which manufactures the electric cars. Thank you. Happy Children's Day all of you.